Hello and welcome to another video from your University of New Money, University of New Mercy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit all notifications. That way you're notified of all future videos that come out from the channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Hello and welcome to another video from your University of New Mercy, University of New Money. Today is day 90. Make my walk down to Old Town for the balloon fiesta. Old Town is usually dead on Monday, but hopefully it's rocking and rolling today. A lot of tourists in town, as I've mentioned. Weather is absolutely beautiful. Balloons have been very successful. So can't wait to see what it's all about in Old Town. I'll be taking videos and uploading them after this one. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified of all future videos from the channel. Enjoyed watching the Best Business Show today, as always. Raul Paul made a nice prediction of 400,000 for Bitcoin and 40,000 for Ethereum, which would be the beginning of next year, 2022, with like $200,000 Bitcoin and $15,000 Ethereum by the end of this year, 2021. If all that comes true, I'm going to be one happy guy, and it's time to celebrate on this channel. So we'll see what happens. I know a lot of you all will celebrate too if that comes true, so we'll see. Anyway, you all enjoy the rest of your day and take care. Thank you again for watching this video from your UNM.NU. This is the disclaimer. This is not financial advice. The information from UNM.NU, University of New Money, and University of New Mercy, and any of these other likenesses is provided for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified of all future videos which come out from the channel. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you're looking forward to the next one, and take care.